Hey, welcome everyone. Today we're gonna replace the pan wheel uh, because the weld on it's damaged. It doesn't have the screw anymore, so let's just do it. We have a gasket with pan. We're gonna use new bolts. Everything what you see here is OEM GM quality. This is for the best life of your car and prevent maintenance in the future. So you're gonna need 8mm or 5x16 and also have an extractor. This is a different just in case I have any issues, and a brush. The reason why we're gonna clean first because they look very corroded. We can see it. I reviewed the transmission pan, all of that looks brand new, so we're gonna do the same for the oil one. And the reason why I'm doing that because this is my oil plug, so I really don't like it. I don't wanna do this anymore. I wanna just to take the screw and take the oil, so let's just replace it. First thing is first, let's bleed the oil, and after we can start to remove the pan oil filter. Let's give a couple of minutes. Okay, just lose a couple bolts all around that side till here. So I just left 1, 2, 3, 4, and I just lose a little. Now I'm gonna try to put a flat screwdriver between here and just lift a little low. If it's any more oil to go down, I don't wanna like all this to fall down. But anyway, it's a big chunk of silicone wherever did this previous job. We're gonna see what we're gonna find when we remove this on. But I'm already thinking, I already know what kind of cleaning I need to do it here. Okay guys, so now it's the fun part. This is not gonna come out in special. We can see how much silicone they use, so trying the easy way to put a bar and go easy. Try to go easy one. Try to get a little loose. Just be careful to not damage anything because it's aluminum, so don't do too much pressure. I use a flat screw and just go around like that. Slow, nice and easy. And it's still gonna drop some oil, not too much because of the rain. Just like so, nice and easy. Okay, let it go because there's still oil here. Nice and easy. So you can see guys what kind of thing they use it, but good thing I'm gonna change now. Here's the dipstick, oil pump right there. Nice and easy. You can see if the engine was changed on time or no. So after this, right here, it's a little, I mean not too much, but I guess I was using like 7,000-10,000 miles. Not the best, but let's go from now on. I'm gonna do it every 3,000, so keep this engine in good shape. So guys, you can see the old silicone. We need to clean all of that, and especially that one. You don't want any of that thing to go inside your oil pump. It's not gonna be a good day if it's have a couple of things like that. So that's why I never recommend a silicone. If you can use a gasket instead, cheapest way is not going for a long run. So also we can use a knife. We just need to be very careful to not damage this. It needs to be very smooth. We're ready to install the new pan. Just try to make a proper cleaning. I did my best. Lubricate the new gasket pour it, and now just pour it back in place, put couple screws, and let's start it. Okay, pen is back in place. First you're gonna do it by hand, all the screws, no pressure at all around, and after you're gonna do like cross, so one here, one in other side, one here, there, you understand, like in go in the middle. And if you don't know how tight need to be, so let's say do by hand, no enough pressure because they're aluminum, so enough to hold the gasket and the pen. So this is should be good. Now we replace the filter and just add oil, start it, and look for leaking.